So if you have the fourth key that looks like this, it seems quite solid and it's quite hard to unlock it to replace the battery, and you will need a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver. Without this, it's impossible to take this battery out. So here you have a little opening and you will need to insert a screwdriver and use it as a lever to unlock the key. It's not that hard, but sometimes it sits tightly, especially if the battery hasn't been replaced for the last 8 years or something. So don't need this part, you need only this part, the back part, and here you have also a little opening to insert your small screwdriver into and twist it. And when you twist it, you open this part, and be careful to not lose anything here. Here is the battery. Pay attention that the battery is facing its bottom part up. It's quite unusual, and you don't see the marking of the battery. You don't know what battery it is, and you again need your screwdriver to take this out. And this is a CR2032 as expected, as in most Ford vehicles and in most cars at all. So when inserting the new battery, you see the metal holder, battery holder here. So you need to insert the new battery in this metal holder and then press it to put it in its place. Make sure that it sits tightly in its place, because otherwise your remote will not work. And then you don't need your screwdriver anymore. Then you will just need to click here everything, make sure that everything is tight, and the last part, just use your power to click it in place, and now your key is quite solid and you can use it again.